how to use your mind in achieving goals. No one ever made a purposeful accomplishment without a clear goal to work toward. The moment you decide on a goal, you immediately become a successful person because you know where you are going. Don't concern yourself too much at this stage with how you are going to achieve your goal. Leave that completely to God and His planning. For now, all you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord and at the right time. As it says in Matthew 7:7, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be open to you. All you need is a purpose and faith. Now, the next step is to learn how to exercise your mind daily on how to think of ideas on achieving your goal. It's not easy starting a new habit. At first, you'll find your mind a little reluctant to be hauled up and out of the old familiar rut. Jeremiah 33:3 says, "Call to me and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things which you do not know." Some of your ideas will be good and worth testing. Try them. Can you see how easy it is to rise above the so-called competition? When you start each day thinking, you will find that your mind will continue to work all day long. If you want to develop the muscles of your body, you take daily exercise of some sort. The mind is developed in the same way, except that the returns are out of all conceivable proportion to the time and energy spent. It's like digging in a solid vein of pure gold. The only thing in the world that can take you to your goals in life is your God-given mind, its effective use, and following through on the good ideas it supplies you. How are you using your mind?